Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app on your settings. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you go down here to looking for Pinterest app here, and this is window. We'll just keep going and we click here on Pinterest, then we come here to this is window here like you say, you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to work with you. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Pinterest settings.